Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.